People in and around Edinburgh had a loud wake-up call in the early hours. Hundreds of residents phoned the police thinking there'd been an explosion. It was actually just the weather and a phenomenon known as Thundersnow. BBC Weather's Alina Jenkins explains.
There were some interruptions to sleep last night as thunderstorms moved across parts of Scotland. But these were not your usual thunderstorms. Thundersnow was reported in Edinburgh, and the sound was so unusual, concerned residents contacted the emergency services, fearing there had been an explosion.
It woke my husband, who's really hard to wake, and I said to him, "What was that noise?" And he said, "It's thunder." And I said, "No, I don't think you can get thunder with snow."
Thought there might have been a bomb going off or something, maybe a building being demolished, you know. It took me to going to Twitter to find out it was thunder anyway, but it was particularly loud.
While thundersnow isn't that common, it does happen here in the UK, and it's the same mechanism which creates thunderstorms in the summer. Instability in the atmosphere and lots of energy. But in this case, the air was cold enough that instead of rain, it was snow. Like summer thunderstorms, the winter counterpart can produce a lot of precipitation in a short amount of time. A couple of places over higher ground in eastern Scotland saw close to 4 centimetres of snow in just a few hours. The blanket of snow muffled the thunder, which might explain why it sounded like an explosion. There was also lightning, which appeared brighter than normal as it reflected off the snowflakes. So it may sound like a 70s pop group, but thundersnow is a meteorological phenomenon, although we may have to wait a while until we see it again. Alina Jenkins, BBC News.
Very dramatic. That takes us to the latest weather prospects wherever you are. Here's Stav Deneos. Hi, Stav.
Hi there, Jane. Thank you very much. Well, we had a bit of everything through this morning. Rain, sleet, snow and thunder and lightning. But it was the snow that was most impressive. It's been the most significant snowfall of the season so far. Some pretty impressive accumulations behind me there in the Edinburgh area. But it wasn't just Scotland. As Alina mentioned, the parts of northern and eastern England as well. Down to lower levels, we saw some accumulations of snow there in Suffolk. But more than that, over the Pennines.